just plugged the power cable in as well, but it didn't need it at all. It's handling all the screens absolutely fine. It's got all five ports now plugged in. And just look at the speed it's downloading. This device alone takes a lot of power, which is coming out of this port here. Over to this lead here. So yeah, 10 out of 10. It does everything it says it does, and that's just running out of a tablet. The only downside is that USB-C isn't reversible. It is just a power lead. I thought I could run that out of the laptop and the USB-C back in, but that is just providing the extra power if that does need it to keep everything else charged up, if you need that powered or if you need that powered. So obviously at the moment that is pulling power into the tablet. It's not an iPad, sorry, it's a Samsung Galaxy Tab. So that is providing power to the tablet from here. So if I was to, so as you can see, I've pulled the power lead out, and now that's stopped. The camera's not great on the phone. Now it's stopped providing power to the tablet. So that's the only downside. It's not a reversible USB-C port, which most devices are nowadays. So all that was doing is just providing power from the laptop in. I've not got many ports up here. But vice versa, I've had the device plugged into the laptop as well, and had the power coming in. So that will then take the power from the laptop directly from here instead of here. So that's the only downside, is that one port hits just power into the device and will take power in there, not the other way. But apart from that, 10 out of 10.
Voilà, j'ai pas de signal, ouais, je le branche ici, hop, j'ai mis mon cordon spécial 4K, vous voyez, pour transmission, tout ce qui est flux vidéo, vous voyez. Donc ici j'ai pas de signal, hein, je bouge la souris, j'ai pas de signal. Si je le branche en direct, vous voyez, j'enlève le câble, je le branche en direct, vous voyez, hop, et que je vais là-bas, j'ai l'écran qui arrive. Voilà, si je l'enlève et que je voudrais le mettre directement sur le fameux hub, vous voyez, il n'y a plus de signal, et là je le mets, là, hop, 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 et là je n'ai rien, je bouge la souris, je n'ai rien. Je reprends ici, vous voyez, hop, je remets ici, j'enlève, je remets ici, et là j'ai quelque chose, vous voyez, mais ça ne sert pas, dommage.